Hey everybody, it's Stephen F. with another Sunday Dollar Tree haul. I know this is DIY Mondays, but I'm doing this on Sunday on DIY Monday channel because I'm going to do DIY projects around the house. And the reason I'm doing it is because I got these solar lights at Dollar Tree and they upped their game on it. You go to the Dollar Tree Haul channel, you'll see the whole uh, Dollar Tree Haul. But these are the DIY projects that I'm going to do. We're putting solar lights around the house, and Dollar Tree went up to $1.25, but I think they upped their game. They came out with these solar lights that look like mason jars and butterflies in it. They have a red butterfly. I haven't tried them yet, but they should all work. They have a green blue butterfly here. They have a green one. And the yellow one. And I imagine I want to charge them solely. I don't want to pull it out yet. I want to save them till I put them up. But I imagine the light shines on the butterfly somehow. So we'll see. And you will see that on the Pond and Garden Sanctuary as well. This will be on Hauling with Stephen F., Dollar Tree channel, and DIY Mondays and the Pond and Garden Sanctuary. And don't forget to watch tonight, Sunday night, live stream. And I have one more thing. As you saw in the video with the peel and stick paper, I'm going to use this brick somehow, and you'll have to go to Monday's DIY Mondays to see what I use this brick for in the basement painting and remodeling and stuff. I used the peel and stick paper to look like wood, and this one is brick. So you have to see what I'm going to be doing with this brick and the wall. Then I got some grill cleaner for the barbecue. Give this in here. Oh, I got that. I think this is cute too. The soap dispenser for Easter. Okay. And then I got these Easter eggs, which I'll be hanging up for Easter right after St. Patrick's Day. I have two of them, and I believe it's in here. Right here. We got the oven and grill cleaner. This is 32 fluid ounces. Also, I'm going to be doing shirts. My son's fiance has a Cricut machine and she's doing all sorts of stuff. So I'm going to ask her to do a shirt for me. And I'll have several colors and do a test pendant and see if you like them. And I'll have somebody make them up for me. I'm not going to make up a ton of t-shirts and I'll have them sell. So I'll be doing that too on the Pond and Garden channel. This was a extra large. Usually they were extra large, XXL, and they were too big. This is extra large. This will fit fine. And I'll be doing this in a lot of videos wearing this shirt, and probably have one for the Dollar Tree channel and one for the Fish Tank channel as well. So we'll be doing that. Then we got these things for her Cricut machine. The vinyl, pink vinyl. This is more of like a red vinyl and a gray vinyl. And then we got the Scrumptations cookies, as you can see. White rice. And then the same size paper, but the roll, the footage is 27. They're going to 22. We got a few of them. If you see them in your store, get them. Then, last but not least, the pasta sauce, garlic, and the garden edge. This is a border I'm going to be putting around the raised beds, which you will see on the Pond and Garden channel. That's it for this Dollar Tree haul. Go to the Pond and Garden channel and see what I'm going to be doing with the solar lights in the upcoming weeks. I'll be linking them all down below, all the channels in this video and Monday's video. And all you have to do is go to the Hauling with Stephen F. to see the complete video that I did on all the stuff. And I will see you there. Until next time, remember, like, comment, subscribe, ding that bell, let me know what you think of the video. Usually a video every Monday on DIY Mondays. From time to time there will be a link on Sunday or Monday, 2 Monday videos with Dollar Tree stuff that I got from Dollar Tree, linking the Dollar Tree haul channel to this channel. I know it's confusing, but if you like Hauling with Stephen F., go to that channel. That's all Dollar Tree stuff and stuff that I buy. And I'll be linking Dollar Tree stuff that I buy, like the solar lights. If we had a DIY project, also the Pond and Garden project. So you'll see that, and you'll see the wall project. This is Dollar Tree also. So when I have something that I'm going to be doing a DIY on, I'll be linking the Dollar Tree items to all 3 channels, or whatever channel I'm getting the stuff for. So I'll see you then. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, ding that bell, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, Stephen F. signing off. Bye for now.